Layton Sports Cards Ripping 2022 Top Stadium Club Chrome Baseball. 8-box break number 24. Pick your team. We have AJF Pirates, Bob S. Mariners, Chris B. Yankees, Dan O. Braves, David C. Royals Blue Jays, Eric P. Red Sox Rockies, Frank M. Mets, Gene C. Rangers, Jesse Y. Phillies, excuse me, Jesse L. Tigers, Jay Lee Marlins, Justin H. D-backs, KPAC Astros, Kevin F. Cardinals and Nationals, Matt M. Orioles, Cubs, White Sox, Dodgers, A's, and Brewers, Mike G. Guardians, Raymond R. Twins, Shinichi S. Angels, Tim L. Rays, Victor F. Padres, Yoshiaki S. Reds, and Youngsu C. Giants. All right, let's do it. Trey Turner. Mike Trout, Wave. Nice one, Angels. Spencer Torkelson, Team of the Future. Bryce Harper, Dynasty. And Buster Posey, Trophy Hunters, Wave. Yeah, I'll let Forrest know for sure about EPL coming to Orlando. The Beam Team, Devers. Albert Pujols, Trophy Hunters. Matt Chapman, Refractor. And A's, rookie auto, Kevin Smith. You got those mags ready to go? I think I'm going to pull a bunch of big hits in this one.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Awesome. Beam Team, Juan Soto, Abrams. I am excited to rip some more Topps Chrome Black up next. I have never pulled a Superfractor from Topps Chrome Black.
Today might be the day, buddy.
Yep, it's happening. It's Altuve, Trophy Hunters. Chas McCormick, rookie blue refractor to 199. We have Braves, Orioles, Cubs, Rockies, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, A's, and Giants. 8 spots left. Oh, wait, no, that's 9. 9 spots left in Bowman's Best. Brian Reynolds.
That's cool.
Huh. Shane Baz, Team of the Future. Corey Seager, gold, 50, Rangers. Ooh. CJ Abrams, rookie Beam Team. All right, next box. Jonathan India, Team of the Future. Jeff McNeil. Jose S., rookie blue to 199. O'Neill Cruz, rookie Beam Team. Francisco Lindor, Dynasty and Team of the Future, Ronald Acuna, Wave. Chipper Jones, Trophy Hunters. Patrick Wisdom, Refractor. Joey Votto Trophy Hunters. Ernie Clement, Rookie Refractor. July 26th. There's a Juan Soto Team of the Future. I should probably mark that day down on my calendar. Expect to be covering for somebody. I'm sure everybody's going to want to go to that. Except me. Beam Team, Joey Votto. Oh, really? Flaherty, Salvi, Trophy Hunters. Thank you, Timmy. Yes, please be sure to hit the like button on the live feed for those watching over on YouTube. Dontrell Willis, Refractor. And Royals, Rookie Refractor Auto, MJ Melendez. Solid hit for KC. Haniger. Severino, Alec Thomas. Flaherty, O'Neal Cruz, Beam Team. Beam Team Rookie, Wander Franco. Stephen Kwan, Rookie. George Springer, Trophy Hunters. Oh, snuck up on me. Twins, 1 of 1. Superfractor, Torrey Hunter. Man, these cards with the dark backgrounds, it's easy for them to catch you by surprise. There you go. Nice Torrey Hunter Super. Mag that one for you. Minnesota. Twins. It's Raymond R with the Twins. Vlad Jr. Destiny. Beam Team, Shohei Ohtani. Donovan. Destiny, Juan Soto, Wave. Will Smith, Team of the Future. Hey, congrats, Raymond. That's awesome. Happy for you. Rendon and Astros, Rookie Auto, Joe Perez. Beam Team Rookie, Bobby Witt Jr. Yeah, hope you stay hot, Raymond. That's awesome, man. Morning, AJ. How you doing? Mookie Betts, Trophy Hunters. Greg Maddux, Trophy Hunters. The orange. Nice. That is Astros. Orange refractor to 25. Jeff Bagwell. Nice color match. Astros. 16 of 25. Yeah, starting off nice here. Acuna, Team of the Future. Yep, appreciate it. Let's see a lot of crazy hits today. There's Miguel Sano, blue to 199, Twins. All right. Joe Perez, rookie blue refractor. And this is nice. Mariners, rookie orange refractor auto to 25, Cal Raleigh. There you go, Mariners. Congrats. Nice one. That is 22 of 25. We'll mag that one for you. Hunter Green, team of the future. Greinke refractor and Pete Alonso, gold. Trophy hunters to 50. Cal Ripken, dynasty. Still 9 to go on Bowman's Best. Let's get that filled. Good teams still left, too. We have Braves, Orioles, Cubs, Rockies, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, A's, and Giants. Orioles looking for Jackson Holiday. Brewers looking for Jackson Churio. There's Mike Trout, trophy hunters. All those teams are on sale. Shane Baz, team of the future. Spencer Torkelson, team of the future. Garrett refractor. Freed, Seiya Suzuki, Beam Team rookie. O'Neill Cruz rookie. Max Scherzer, trophy hunters. Rick Skubal, refractor. Beam Team, Anthony Rizzo. Jay Friedel, Aaron Judge, trophy hunters. Gurriel and Edgar Martinez, gold to 50. All right. Here we go. Second half of the break. Then Acuna, trophy hunters. 2 mags already. Let's see if we can make that 4. Alfonso Rivas, Adrian Beltre, blue to 199. Jazz Chisholm, team of the future. France, Miggy, dynasty. Trophy hunters, Miggy. And Mets, rookie auto, Nick Plummer. Go New York. Yachty, blue to 199. Bobby Witt Jr., team of the future, rookie orange. And that is jersey number 7 of 25, Royals. There you go. Nice one, KC. Well, yeah, not every box is going to have $500 cards in it.
You want to knight the wick?
Yes, please. Kyle Tucker, team of the future. And I think it evens out. It's just you have to. I don't know. I think with stuff like this, most of the time you can make your money back if you like have the time to list like base cards and parallels and inserts and stuff. Vlad Beam team. O'Neal Cruz. Well, yeah, if every one of them's a winner, none of them are winners. Vlad Refractor. Dylan Bundy. Luke Williams, rookie green to 99. Wander, rookie team of the future. Gurriel, Alec Manoah, refractor. Derek Cheater, beam team, Freddie Freeman. Nolan Arenado, trophy hunter. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie. Shohei Ohtani, trophy hunters. Noah Syndergaard, blue to 199. Romuto Vlad Jr., team of the future. And Yankees, rookie auto, Luis Gill. Profar and Dansby. Excuse me. Casey Mize. There's Joan Duran, rookie gold refractor to 50. Twins. Twins crushing it. J-Rod, rookie beam team. Buster Posey, rookie, or not rookie, trophy hunters. Jesus. Mookie Betts, Dynasty. Wander rookie. Tatis, team of the future. Eric Hosmer, refractor. Up after this, we have two Topps Chrome Black half case random team style breaks. Those are sold out. We have 8 to go on Bowman's Best. Braves, Orioles, Cubs, Rockies, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, A's, and Giants. These teams are on sale. Be sure to check them out. Here's a link. Excuse me. Morning, Joshua. How's it going? Mookie, beam team. Dave Winfield, refractor. Yep. Marsh, Shohei Ohtani, team of the future. Beam team, Pete Alonso. Yeah, it's hard to, I mean, it's impossible to know which ones to get, in, which ones to sit out, you know. Brandon Crawford, green to 99. Hunter green. All right, 2 boxes to go. Rizzo, Trophy Hunters, and Brewers, rookie green refractor auto to 99, Aaron Ashby. Freddie Peralta. Bar. Team of the Future, Alec Manoah. It's Jackson Coar, rookie green refractor to 99. J-Rod, rookie. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie Destiny. Beam Team, Bryce Harper. Woodruff, Juan Soto, Trophy Hunters, and Suzuki, rookie. Tatis, Trophy Hunters. Rios. Pete Alonso, Team of the Future, Palacios. Moncada, refractor. Castellanos, Spencer Torkelson, rookie Beam Team. Lou Bob, Team of the Future. Jeremy Pena, rookie. Torque, rookie. Jared Walsh. Beam Team, Lou Bob. Ramirez, Corbin Burns, blue, 199. And Pirates, rookie auto, Roansy Contreras. Gary Ganarias. All right, last box. Let's finish strong. We are at 3 mags. Just one more. All right. So on Bowman's Best, we have Braves, Cubs, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, A's, and Giants. So 7 to go on Bowman's Best. That is up after our 2 Topps Chrome Black breaks. Those are up next. They're sold out. Tyler O'Neill. Sean Murphy, Team of the Future. Del Marte, blue to 199. Oh, does it? Nice. Rivas, Albert Pujols, Dynasty, and Beam Team rookie wave, CJ Abrams. After Bowman's Best, we have 2022 and 2018 Bowman Chrome Hobby 3-box mixer. Random teams that has 15 to go. Beam Team Mike Trout and Guardians rookie auto Richie Palacios. Bryce Harper, Trophy Hunters. Pujols, Hunter Green, rookie beam team. We have 13 to go on 2020 Bowman Jumbo 2-box break random teams. It's Carlos Correa, Trophy Hunters. And then we have a 5-star and Topps Chrome update 4-box mixer random teams. 25 to go on that. 25 to go on 22 Topps Chrome Sonic Light and update Chrome Hobby 6-box mixer random teams. Yepes, Elharis Montero, rookie refractor. And then 22 to go on each of our Topps Chrome Sonic Light 8-box pick your team style breaks. Bobby Witt Jr., Team of the Future. Walker Buehler, Austin Riley, Team of the Future. Beam team, Aaron Judge. Walker Buehler, green to 99. Last pack, Blake Snell, Griffey, Trophy Hunters. All right. Let's do a hit recap. All right, we had Guardians rookie auto Richie Palacios, Pirates rookie auto Roansy Contreras, Yankees rookie auto Luis Gil, Mets rookie auto Nick Plummer, Astros rookie auto Joe Perez, Royals rookie auto MJ Melendez, A's rookie auto Kevin Smith, Brewers rookie green refractor auto to 99 Aaron Ashby. Then we had a Team of the Future orange rookie Bobby Witt Jr. That's jersey number 7 of 25. Mariners rookie orange refractor auto to 25 Cal Raleigh. Big dumper. And that is Twins 1/1 SUPERFRACTOR Torrey Hunter. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. We have Topps Chrome Black coming up next.